Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic and Creations. Today I'm going to share an easy DIY idea, a moon and star shaped wall hanging item, only by using some cardboard papers and some old CDs. So let's get started. So first I'm drawing the shapes in cardboard paper. I'm using old flip cut packaging box as material. Now painting the moon with black acrylic colors. Also the stars. Now painting the lotus with pink and white acrylic colors. Painted the outlines with white acrylic color. And now cutting the CD into pieces. And sticking the pieces with Fevicol. Do the same process with the stars. These are ball stickers I have ordered online. And it's time to connect them with threads. So this is the final look. Isn't it so easy to make? And also elegant, adding a shiny touch in my ordinary wall. So did you like my idea? Please let me know and see you in the next video.